Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Askia Panwa Wijaya with ID number 124490015. In this video, I will explain my PCB design which feature in my PCB design with four sensor, four sensor, and three actuator. Okay. Uh, First, I will explain my power section. In here, uh, I have a USB-B connector and a barrel J connector, and there also diode for connect from barrel J and USB-B. This job diode to figure out which source solve supply current. In here, if USB-B supplying the power 20 volt, example give it 20 volt, in here, see USB-B connect to VBus. So in here, in here USB-B connect to current, in here connect to current. This is automatically cut in switch cause in here job switch. Okay. From there, the current this connect to regulator to step down current. Example in there 12 12 12 12 volt 12 volt. In here e convert to 5 volt. So lalu in here step down again 3.3 volt. Job capacitor, don't forget in there capacitor. This job is stabilize voltage before in her regulator. Okay. So in there we have got here a connect in 5 volt. Current is connect to here. In here connect to here. 5 pin connect to LM 3.3 volt. Nah, in here in regulator dioda I put a dioda in here because no feedback in current in here. Current here in and then in here I'm put LED small for I know 5 volt or 3 volt yeah like in here capacitor resistor for stabilizing voltage in here inductor for stabilizing voltage in here stabilizing voltage of inductor terus and then like here module IC module IC this job is control from the laptop to PCB to ESP, sorry, like here resistor transistor for boot pinnet EB to IC, like here same. Okay, in IC this connect to ESP in here. ESP this job is brain the my PCB design. Okay, in here pull up, ini pull up, like here a switch button for reset or for loop. Kalau he stuck program, but then dia like push button in here for booting. Okay, then like here RGB for now this is ASP bekerja atau tidak. In here resistor, in here pin for booting. Nah, like here for booting, in here booting two two pin, foreground and forebode. Booting for connect to transistor connect to IC. My sensor suhu DS, ultrasonic sensor, and turbidity sensor. Like here, actuator servo, I2C port. In here, real-time clock for the module, real-time clock. This is the stepper, and their step driver. And then stepper driver connect to in point IO4, IO5, IO7, and IO6. In clock, in 8, RST, DAT. I2C connect to SDA and SCL. In I2C port, there SCL and SDA pin 12 and pin 17 is a special from port I2C. Let in track here and track my PCB. I forget. In my track my PCB, this LAN PCB track 0.6 millimeters and with clearance for 0.5 millimeters. Okay. In here to red lens in PCB. This is top layer, like blue track. This down layer. Okay. In this 5 volt in here. This is a connect to semua my pin volt, my 5 volt, like ground. This is connect to ground. In my PCB, this ground I will put in down layer and power to top layer. Okay, like so. Maybe I will show my PCB design in here logo Rekinsa and my name in here, my name. So this is my PCB design. Thank you.